ChatGPT is incredibly powerful, but many people are disappointed by the answers they get. Not because ChatGPT is bad, but because it's often used the wrong way. In this video, you'll learn why ChatGPT gives weak or confusing answers and how to fix that with simple changes anyone can apply. The biggest mistake most people make is treating ChatGPT like a search engine. They type short, vague questions and expect perfect results. But ChatGPT doesn't think like Google. It responds based on context, clarity, and guidance. One major reason for bad answers is missing context. When ChatGPT doesn't know who you are, what you want, or why you need the information, it fills the gaps with assumptions. And assumptions often lead to generic or incorrect responses. Another common issue is unclear instructions. If you ask, "Explain artificial intelligence," ChatGPT doesn't know how detailed the explanation should be, who it's for, or what you already know. As a result, the answer feels shallow or repetitive. Fixing this is easier than most people think. Instead of short questions, give ChatGPT a clear role and goal. For example, ask it to explain a topic as if you were a beginner, a student, or a professional. The more direction you give, the better the answer becomes. ChatGPT also adapts to tone and format. If you want a simple explanation, step-by-step instructions, or a short summary, you need to say so. Without guidance, ChatGPT defaults to neutral and generic answers. Many people believe ChatGPT is getting worse. In reality, the model hasn't changed that much. What changes is how people interact with it. Better input almost always leads to better output. If ChatGPT gives you bad answers, it's usually not a limitation of the AI. It's a communication issue. Clear context, clear instructions, and clear expectations make all the difference. Artificial intelligence is only as useful as the way we use it. Understanding how AI responds is the first step to getting real value from it. If you want more clear explanations like this, you're in the right place.